Alright, so welcome back. What I'm going to do here is balance my pistons and my wrist pins. They're all right here. I wasn't going to do this right now, but I have new cylinder heads coming and I need to set the deck height on these so I know what to machine the chambers for. So rather than assemble it all, measure the deck height, then tear it all down again to balance the pistons, we're going to do it all at once. So a piece of paper, a Sharpie, a scale, let's get to it. Now the trick with these scales are 15 bucks on Amazon, no big deal. But they're not going to always give you the exact accurate measurement every single time. So what you do is you do it 3 times each and average it out. If you get the same number all 3 times, great. If they're off by a little bit, always go a little higher. 121.67 grams. See, it's flickering between 6.7 and 6.8. And now it's down to 6.6, back up to 6.8. So I'm going to call it 6.8. So pin 121.68. I'm pretty sure I can't do a 100th of a gram. You can see here, number 1 is the lowest, so we've got to get these 3 as close to that number as we can. These pins are hardened steel, so I should be able to do a 1/10 of a gram without too much trouble by removing material. Oh, you can't see. By removing material from the inside here. Doesn't affect it structurally, doesn't affect the fit through the piston or the connecting rod. So shouldn't, a 1/10 of a gram isn't much at all. So these ones I'll remove less than a 1/10, slightly less than 2/10. This one we're going to be doing almost a full gram. Alright, let's do the pistons. Now it's up to 73, whatever. Again, 100ths of a gram. I'm not going to sweat. As long as I get in the ballpark. So there we go. We've measured them all. It's less than a gram. I don't know if I need to do anything. I think I might just leave them all the way they are. In fact, if I shuffle the pins around, I might get them all within a 1/10 of a gram. I'll play with that a little bit. I'll check back with you after I do some calculations. Alright, so what we're going to do is start adding up the pins and pistons and see if we can find a match that'll get them all within even tighter tolerances. So the heaviest piston is number 4 at 44670. So 44670 plus the lightest pin, which is number 1, at 12168. ends up at 568.38. Okay. Then if I go with the lightest piston, which is number 1, at 445.36, and the heaviest pin, which is 2, yeah, 2, at 12249. 567.85. So if I took the highest and the lowest, we're half a gram apart. So let's keep going. Let's do piston 2, which is 446.20. And we do the second lightest pin, which is number 4. Yeah. At 12176. $56796, and that leaves us piston 3 at 44629, and pin 3 at 12196. There you have 44629, 12196. 56825. There we go. The lowest to the highest. No, you're the lowest. You're the highest. Less than a gram. I don't think I need to machine anything. Well, shoot, I was going to do a whole video on how to remove material and all that good stuff. Darn you, AA, for actually having decently balanced pistons. Alright, well, that settles that. Next is measuring deck height. See you soon.